Let's talk about how you can clean up your Gmail. I have quite a few folders over here in my Gmail, and in order to take care of some of my storage down here, I'm going to go through and do a little bit of organizing, aka deleting emails that I no longer need. So I have a folder, and when I clicked on it, I was kind of surprised there's actually nothing in there. So I definitely want to get rid of this. So hovering over the label folder, I'm going to click on the Skinny Snowman, and I'm actually going to say remove label. Confirm, gone. Let's click on another one. Notice I have a handful in here. Now, if I just remove the label, it just actually takes the label off of these emails. It doesn't do anything with the actual email. So what I'm going to do first is come up and put a check mark in this top box. And looking at the dates, these are all things that I can easily get rid of. So once I have selected all of them, I'm going to go ahead and hit delete. And then I can Skinny Snowman and remove label. Confirm, and it's gone. Now, it's pretty awesome when you get into a nice little groove. What I always suggest is that you set a little timer. So do this for 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You may need to go through and actually reread some of these. But if you're sure, like these, I might say, you know what, I'm not sure that I want to actually delete them. Maybe I just want to remove that label because I can see that they're still in my inbox. So if you think it might be an email you want to keep, you just want to get rid of this folder over here, you can do that as well. But I'm just going to go ahead and delete because I'm done. And get rid of that label, confirm. So once you get into a groove, it's pretty simple, straightforward, and you can see as I'm going through, it's easy. So I hope this is a tech you can do tip that you find helpful.